Okay, now we seen about how that Mendeleev's law is formulated and how he arranged the elements in the periodic table. Now in this, what are the different merits? Now as they said that science is very progressive, and whatever basic he has given, the methodology is being forwarded further. So there were some merits that we observe in his periodic table. That very first merit was the atomic masses of some elements got revised to put it in the periodic table. For an example, the very first they have given the atomic mass of beryllium was 14.9 before, before Mendeleev, and he revised it to 9.4, and therefore beryllium was placed before boron. Like boron's atomic mass is more than that, and beryllium was placed before boron. So this was his first merit, that atomic masses of some elements got revised. Second merit of it is that he kept some blank places in his periodic table, and it was his prediction that those elements will be formed later on. So, and he named those places as Ica boron, Ica silicon, and Ica aluminium. So he kept those blank places, Ica boron, Ica aluminium, and Ica silicon. This is very important, and later on it is fortunate that these elements, like he kept Ica boron. Ica boron was later on labeled as scandium. Ica aluminium was later on labeled as gallium, and Ica silicon is later on labeled as germanium. So he found that Ica aluminium, Ica boron, and Ica silicon, similar elements later on they found. Now in that table it is given a property of Ica aluminium and gallium. According to him, there is one element missing, that is will have 68 mass, and definitely it is found as a gallium which has a mass 69.7. He thought that there will be some element in that vacant place whose density will be 5.9, and definitely later on when it is found its density was 5.94. So all these properties of Ica aluminium was correct, got it correct for gallium. So those blank places whatever he has placed, those three elements were found later on. So it was his prediction. The very third we can say his merit is there was no place reserved for the noble gases in the Mendeleev's original periodic table. However, in noble gases such as helium, neon, argon were discovered towards the end of the 19th century. Mendeleev created the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table in which the noble gases were fitted. So these three were the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table.